So without further delay, I welcome you back. So now understand why data wrangling matters. Why you should even learn data wrangling. Is it important in today's world? The answer is yes. Be it a AI engineer, be it a data engineer, data scientist, they need to clean up the data before they actually use that data. So you should learn the skill of how to clean the data. So the point which I want to mention here is that 80% of the data professional time is spent cleaning data. So when you receive the data in any format, be it a warehouse data, be it is coming from a sales data or any data, it is a raw data. It is coming from different countries. It can be different state, different countries, different stores, different shops. The data is different. And now before you can use this data to get some insight, you need to clean the data. So you spent a good amount of time in cleaning this data. So that is why you should learn data wrangling, which can help you with the cleaning of the data. And be remember that a good analysis always start with the clean data, not with the raw data which has a missing data, messy data, null data, or sometime the most of the columns are missing in that data. So you need to have knowledge of data wrangling so that you can start the good analysis. And it is a very crucial skill for all data analyst, engineer and BI developer. As I told earlier, this course is must for all data analysts, engineers and BI developer, anyone who has something to do with data. And currently data wrangling is high demand in job. For example, data scientist, analyst, business and intelligence expert, they ask question on the data wrangling. They also want their employees or the candidates should have a knowledge of data wrangling. There will be a question like how you can handle cleanup of data in this situation, right? So we are going to see all those situations. So even if you are going for a role of data scientist or data analyst or AI engineer, this course will be very important and handy for you. So let's move forward.